Hello and welcome to Robert's Country Cooking tonight. Today we're going to be making a simple macaroni salad. This is kind of noodles that I cook, which is elbow macaroni. And I can show you the box. You want to cook a full box or you can cook a half a box depending on how much you want to make. But this is Laura Lynn elbow macaroni. You can use this at like picnics or get-togethers, potlucks, or whatever. It's very good. This recipe was recommended to me from a friend from Atlanta a long time ago. But it's really, really good, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Anyway, we're also going to put raisins in tonight, cranberries, dry cranberry. This is Kobe Jack cheese. You want to put this whole bottle of Miracle Whip. You're like, oh my goodness. Then you want to put to taste how much, as well as this. You can put to taste how much. But I put both of these in there because after your raisins and cranberries, it's usually a little dry. The salt and pepper, that's to taste. Okay. And I put about a teaspoon of mustard. Okay, that'll give it a twang. So does the Dukes, but then I might cut the mustard back a little bit. If you don't want to put a teaspoon, put half teaspoon of mustard in there. So all you have to do is get your bowl, get you a good mixing utility. I'm going to use this bamboo spoon. Mix your noodles. And the thing about this, folks, when you're making a salad, don't go to mash it all up with your wooden spoon or anything. Fold it. You want to fold it inward and fold it this way. Because if you do that, you're going to have a lot of mess. But a hint, before, well, you might know this, so I'm going to tell you anyhow, that people doesn't. Before you even attempt to put the cheese in there, everybody knows hot noodles is going to melt the cheese, right? Make sure you run these noodles under a lot of cold water, or you can also set like a bowl like this on an ice bath up here and get it really cold and just let it sit there and then stir the noodles. But I just get my noodles cold under the faucet. Okay, so we're going to do what we are going to do first. I'll get it together, y'all. We're going to add the salt and pepper. To me, that's what I'm going to put in there. And that is a teaspoon. Not a teaspoon. Steak to taste. But if I put a teaspoon of salt in there, I'd be like, bleh. No, that was that was to taste. I saw it. It wasn't a teaspoon. Then I'm gonna put some Miracle Whip in here and get it out. And I'm just going to take the whole thing. I'm going to pull my spoon out here. Because when I add all my ingredients, I just, the table surface is clean. Add my, this stuff is awesome, y'all. Y'all look for a chicken sandwich upload tonight as well. Because I'm going to have me a good chicken sandwich. Me and Doug over this. So he's going to have two shorts for y'all. He's going to have one on the salad here. And he's going to have one of the... He's going to have one of the salad, like I was saying, and he's going to have one of the chicken sandwich, and he's going to test that with my lid. But y'all know that always goes back to the bottom, so never throw your bottles away. I don't believe in wasting. Okay, then put your, give me a spoon. Instead of me using a teaspoon, I have these little bitty dessert spoons. Like this. I'm going to put about that much. That's really all you need. Throw that in there and do this. Clean off with the wet noodles. See, like that. That's the dishes I have tonight. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Let's see. Pepper go up there. So next we're gonna add our, man, let me get this in the fridge, guys. Put our mayo, which is our dukes. I always like to add all my wet ingredients first. Now, this is one of Georgia's favorites right here is Duke's mayo. But I also like to use another one called Belma, Alabama. You know? That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of Alabama. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's plenty. I'm just going to wait. I'm not putting all that in there. If it's a little dry, we'll see how we do that because I do not like macaroni salad dry. The thing about me putting all this in here, this cheese really dries this out. So you'll see what I mean in a minute. But I'm being healthy. I know that don't look healthy, but I am. But my sister, my family, I went, what was that for? Halloween, I think. And they just tore this all to pieces. It was some sort of a holiday. I can't remember the holiday. Here comes my chihuahuas like it's at case time. Get in there. Me. Sorry about that, y'all. So put your craisins in there, which is dry cranberry. And then we want to take our raisins here. Y'all can't have craisins and raisins. They're not good for chihuahuas. Especially raisins, that'll kill you. No. Can't have them. I'm off cam getting these unwrapped. I should have had that done. But we know, you know how we all forget stuff. 6 things of raisins. I could have bought the ones in the tall cans, but these are on sale, so I got these. And just bend the box and drop them in there. This is also good if you'll put, I don't think I put all 6 in there. I think I'll put, because I have some other salad I want to make. I got some rotisserie chicken. I got a rotisserie chicken salad sandwich on a croissant. Oh, God, it's good. Put those 3 in there. Now save these 2. So it's 4 little boxes of raisins. It's not a lot. That's enough. So you got your grape, you got your craisins, and you got that mayo and salt. And you know what? I put the pepper up for putting it in there. So let's get that done, y'all. I'm going to be making a skillet macaroni and cheese. I'll be doing something else. I got some other stuff coming up. And I did, like I was saying earlier, I have a poll. I didn't finish that. I'm so sorry. That I put up online on my page, YouTube channel. You can go check it out and vote to see what you want coming up in the next series. And please vote, because that will tell me what I need to make next. Because whatever's voted for is what I'm going to make. But I will also continue with whatever I do. But I want to hear from you guys and let y'all put y'all's opinions in too. But if you don't do it there, you can leave it in the comments. That way I'm able to do what I gotta do. Let's put our pepper in here. And our pepper is to taste and everything. So I'm gonna do, I have to do it way over here because I always sneezing. Like a lot of pepper in my food. If y'all hear that slamming, that I got a little thing on my door up there and it beats the counter. The door, not the counter. Whoa, there it goes. Peppers make me want to go, ooh. Oh, yummy. See how it's getting dry out a little bit? It's wet, but it will be here in a minute. I got some hamburger fried baked beans I want to do. Until summer's coming. Thinking of summer food. Alrighty. Now that your mix looks like this, with all your ingredients folded in, you want to, what you want to do, I'm thinking, is, I always think like that because all the time missing something. I'm gonna take that spoon I had. I'll get this one right here. I don't think I need that. And just throw your cheese in there since you got all that thoroughly mixed in. You don't have to do it all at once because it'll become hard to do if you do it all at once. And you don't have to worry about your bowl getting dirty. I always clean my presentation up after the fact. Just go get dirtied up anyhow with mayo. Just want to fold this in. Always fold it because you'll go to cut up all your noodles. That's why I say you don't cook them till they're soft. You're gonna mess it up. Let's do that right there. You can do it a little bit at a time like that too, just make sure you're not crushing your noodles. Okay, y'all see what I'm doing. I was just checking. See if y'all, my stuff was in camera view. And to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, not Mother Day, but it can be a Mother Day, I guess. Happy Mom's Day, Mother's Day, whatever you want to call it. We all say something different, I guess. But no, seriously, with all joking aside, happy Mother's Day. And this is perfect for Mother's Day if you're getting into a get-together, or if you just want to make it. But this is good to take to like a dinner or something. Like we're gonna have it tonight. I'm just gonna cook a chicken sandwich, and I want to do a chicken sandwich. Okay, now remember when I told you this will look a little dry? Let me see what it looks like on cam. It doesn't. Yeah, the picture's different. It's dry, so it needs just a touch of mayo, not a lot. So if you notice, I ain't used all of it. In my foot. One. Yeah, 3/4. That's it. That's all it needs. Plenty. Okay. Just right. Stands up. That's the one I'm missing, y'all. It's my towel. No wonder I'm turning circles. I usually have a towel on my side. Give me 1 second. I apologize. Sorry about that brief interruption. I went and got a clean thing to clean up around the edges of my bowl. Because I usually get a clean one before I even start a video. Okay, get all that mayo and all that out the edge. Okay. That's not bad. Okay, then after you've got it fixed up, let's get you like a try. That is what it's going to look like on cam. Or camera, or whatever. It's something like this. And you put more in the bowl. Let me put a little bit more. Let's make it look pretty. So there you go, that's better. Something sort of like that. Your cheese, your craisins, all your fixings are in there like I showed you how to do. So let me take a taste. Oh my God. Please try that. That is so good. Y'all, I'm going to get set up to where I can start giving a review after I do my food and I do a taste myself, and Doug's still going to do his taste test. But this is the finished product of the macaroni salad. Right there. See it? So, I hope that you enjoyed the video tonight. I hope you learned something new. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It will help me on the algorithm of YouTube. And Mom, I love you out there, and happy Mother's Day coming up, and I love all my fans. Thank you for all your support, because if it weren't for YouTube, my fans out there, I wouldn't have nobody supporting me, and what would we do then? Anyhow, I hope my macaroni salad that I have made does you well. Try it for you and your friends or family, whoever. It's excellent. You won't be hurt with it. Anyway, thanks for dropping by Robert's Country Cooking. And we will see you next time on the next show. And P.S. Wait on Doug. 15 to 30 minutes. He'll be doing a great taste test for me. Excuse me, guys. And go check out his short. And he'll be doing a taste of this right here. We love y'all, and until then, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.